Win? Success? Fame? Money? What if everything you knew about life was wrong? What if life isn't a race to win, but a game to explore? What if success isn't about doing what everyone else does, but about becoming someone no one else can be? Kevin Kelly, co-founder of Wired, has spent a lifetime collecting wisdom, and he says, your job in life is to figure out what your job in life is. That's not a riddle. That's the way. Life is not a contest. It has no scoreboard. Kevin believes life is a lifelong dance between exploring and optimizing. You try new things, find what makes you come alive, and then slowly get better at it. Your mission in life? It's to discover what your mission in life is. Life is not a test. It's an open-world game. Most people live by an unwritten script. Study hard, get a degree, buy a house, retire. But that's just one way to play the game. There's no scoreboard, no final boss, and no fixed path. Your job is to figure out what makes the game worth playing for you. Average is a trap. Build something only you can. Kevin warns us, don't aim to be the best in a crowded field. Aim to be the only one doing what you do. Create something so unique, people can't help but associate it with you. That's how you become irreplaceable and free. Don't say, I can. Say, I am. Don't say, I can write. Say, I am a writer. Don't say, I can stay fit. Say, I am someone who never skips a workout. Your habits stick when they align with your identity, not your motivation. Don't be afraid to be lost. Kevin says, you'll complete your mission in life when you figure out what your mission is. That means it's okay not to have everything figured out yet. Exploration is not a detour. It's the path itself. Start by asking, who do you want to become? When you're stuck, don't ask, what should I do next? Instead, ask, who do I want to become? Once you know that, every choice becomes clearer. Your next step is simply the step that person would take. Train your family to be unique too. Kevin believes identity isn't just for individuals, it's for families too. You can build a family culture that says, we do things differently. Maybe you read together. Maybe you always help neighbors. Whatever it is, make it your family's thing and be proud of it. Be allergic to average. Kevin says, cultivate an allergy to average. Being unique isn't about showing off. It's about finding what only you can offer. Your job is not to be the best. Your job is to be the only. Master something. Anything. A great goal, Kevin says, is to learn something so well that a year later, you're shocked at how little you used to know. Don't wait for passion. Choose a direction, show up, and keep showing up. Do something crazy while you're young. Your 20s are the best time to do things that seem weird, risky, or totally unexplainable. Kevin spent his youth traveling poor parts of Asia. He says, those crazy years are now his lifelong treasure.